I missed it.
Under the bracket.
Go, Luke.
Under pressure. It's hard under pressure, eh?
We've got to take something.
Someone should go and stand on that pallet.
Yeah.
Well, he does that a bit different.
Oh, he's done that a bit different to Mick.
Yeah.
How do you do it, mate?
He just roughed her out.
Yeah, ripping it.
Yeah, we need some weight. We need to put some weight on
Yeah,
it.
please.
Right, cutout's done. Come on, Luke.
You do it.
Look at him go. Good wrist action there. He's got good strong wrists for the young fella. Flies are squeaking.
Hard under pressure.
We're at a minute.
Do it, mate.
We're at a minute. You got a minute 10 to go.
Action's behind now.
Cable's going in.
Larry's got to be right.
Going pretty good so far. Come on, 50 seconds to go.
Go over.
You can do it. No, you can do it. You can do
Go
it.
over.
You got it. You got it.
Beautiful.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
You got it.
Even.
Got to be straight.
Get the cover on.
It's got to be straight. It's got to be straight.